So I'm checking the results on the spraying of the powdery mildew. This one I was able to stop it on this one and this one also, but I noticed that some, like that one, I still have some left right there, and this one has some left. Let me see where it's like a little bit of dust right here. So I'm gonna spray a little bit more on these. But overall it was successful, because if it hadn't stopped, this would be dead by now. These leaves would be gone. It's been more than a week and they're still going and the plant's still growing. So I think I have it under control. I just have to spray a little more here, and yeah, just a little more, and then the plant will keep growing. And you can see it's still alive. If you don't spray them within 1 to 2 weeks, they're dead. So it's better to spray them as soon as you see the dust, and I'll keep you updating. Hopefully I have some pumpkins from this plant, and I'll be sharing that with you if that happens. Thank you for watching.